Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry NEET. Present topic is hydrocarbons JEPYQs, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means you know that alkenes and alkynes questions we are going to discuss now. 2019 questions. Question number 1. Consider the following reaction. A is given that A is giving Ag2O precipitation. Ag2O precipitation, C in the options. So generally alkynes are giving the test. Alkynes. So we can remove this B option. Next. The same A compound reaction with Hg plus 2 and H plus. That means hydration. H2O, addition of water. Then it is giving some B compound. The B compound reaction with the sodium borohydride. Then it is giving C. C is giving zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. Turbidity within 5 minutes. Generally, directly we can say this indication is a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. ठीक है, फिर भी we can do that according to this procedure. So A compound trial and error method में कर सकते हैं. So सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल मतलब तो ये भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा एक्सपेक्टेड. सो आई एम टेकिंग थर्ड वन. इफ वी डोंट गेट थर्ड देन वी कैन go for A and B option. C option I am taking here. The CH3 C triple bond CH reaction with water. The reaction with water. So according to Markovnikov rule, here hydrogen and here middle OH terminal hydrogen. Okay, what is the Markovnikov rule? The negative particle is attacking where less number of hydrogens are there. Okay, so here two pi bonds are there, breaking 2 times and keep OH 2 times here. So your compound will be like this: CH3 COH and OH CH3. So two water molecules are unstable on single carbon and releasing here H2O, forming ketone CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is the B compound. This is the B compound. This B is reaction with sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is a good reducing agent. It is reduces up to alcohol. That means you will get isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol next react with zinc chloride and HCl. It's a Lucas reagent. Lucas. So the Lucas reagent is giving turbidity after 5 minutes. Okay, primary alcohols are not giving. Tertiary alcohols are immediately giving. Secondary alcohols are giving after 5 minutes. So your answer will be C. Your answer will be C. If you take A, you will get primary alcohol. So primary alcohol is not giving turbidity. That's why C is the answer. Next, question number 2. But2ene on reaction with alkaline KMnO4 at elevated temperature followed by acidification will give. See here, cold diluted alkaline KMnO4 is known as Bayes reagent. The Bayes reagent से हमको diol मिलता है, लेकिन here the question is asking further acidification at elevated temperature and followed by acidification. So the next one more time oxidation takes place. When oxidation takes place here, OH and OH you have to add. So just now we discussed on same carbon 2 OH groups are there. H2O is removing and forming carbonyl group. You can see right side here. So here I will get it here CH3 COH hydrogen OH. This carbon becomes carbonyl. So this one also OH. So furtherly I am getting carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid CH3 C double bond O OH. That means two molecules of C is the answer. Yes, C will be the answer. Next. Question number 3. The major product of the following addition reaction. See, chlorine and H2O. Generally chlorination होता है, chlorine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride होता है. उस टाइम में if you take whatever this alkene, obviously you will get 2 chlorines are here. Okay, right side 1 chlorine, left side middle carbon पे 1 chlorine. But here it is given Cl2H2O. This Cl2H2O is reacting first, it is forming HOCl and HCl. Okay, this HOCl again OH minus and Cl plus. Okay, so in this we know that electrophilic addition reaction takes place. I am writing here. So first of all, electrophilic addition reaction takes place. Why? Because electron density is more here. Electron density more. So Cl plus is attacking there. So when Cl plus is attacking here, where it will attack? Generally terminal पे attack होता है, क्योंकि tertiary secondary stable carbocation is forming. Then OH obviously middle में हो जाएगा. Then you can write it chlorine and here OH is forming. Okay, so your answer will be C. Middle carbon पे OH, terminal chlorine, terminal carbon पे chlorine. So your answer will be B. Your answer will be B. You can see here. Next. The major product of the following reaction is DCl 1 equivalent, Di 1 equivalent. The same reaction here. CH3 C triple bond CH. I am reaction with first DCl. DCl is nothing but HCl type. Okay, D is the deuterium. D plus Cl minus. Just now we discussed Markovnikov rule के हिसाब से क्या होता है. The H is attack Cl minus. Negative particle is attacking where less number of hydrogens are there. So here it is attacking. So your product will be CH3 CCl double bond CH, D will come. Furtherly it is reacting with Di, again D plus I is minus, same story. The iodine is a negative particle, is attacking where less number of hydrogens are there. That means CH3 CCl and I here CHD2. CHD2. Middle carbon के ऊपर chlorine and iodine. You can see the option D is the answer. Okay, D is the answer. Next, question number 5. Which one of the following alkenes, when treated with HCl, yields majorly an anti-Markovnikov product? Anti-Markovnikov product. Generally, anti-Markovnikov products are in the presence of H2O2, hydrogen peroxide में होता है. दूसरा, when electron withdrawing groups are there, electron withdrawing groups attached to C double bond C, then anti-Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov product is forming. Anti-Markovnikov. Okay, ये 2 condition में होता है, एक तो peroxide, एक तो दूसरा electron withdrawing group. You can see here electron withdrawing group, so ये lone pair है, so plus mesomeric effect it is giving. So H plus is attacking here, that is Markovnikov rule only, lone pair is there, it is giving. So H plus attacking here, Markovnikov rule, lone pair is there, H plus attacking on the terminal, so Markovnikov rule. Here it doesn't have the lone pair, so it is electron withdrawing group. Due to this electron withdrawing group, this pi bond is shifted here. Okay, this is the negative charge. So here nucleophile is attacking on the terminal. Nucleophile attacking on the terminal. So Cl minus is attacking. So your product will be like this: CF3 CH CH2 on the terminal carbon पे chlorine बीच में H. So this is the anti-Markovnikov product. Actually क्या होना चाहिए? H should attack on the terminal wherever more hydrogens are there. Cl minus should attack middle wherever less number of hydrogens are there. So it is forming the different. That's why this is called anti-Markovnikov product. Why it is forming? Due to this electron deficiency. Okay, electron deficiency है तो क्या problem है इसका? You can see I will write two possibilities. Suppose H is attacking on the terminal and middle. You can write it two conditions. I am writing CF3 CH2. I am writing on the terminal. Here carbocation is there, and one more option CF3 CH2. I am writing middle. Okay. Now you tell me which carbocation is more stable. Here electron withdrawing group. See, carbocation is stable whenever electron donating groups are there. But the condition is here electron withdrawing groups. This is the electron withdrawing group, so unstable. Unstable. This is something stable. Something stable. So this type of carbocation is forming. So obviously the Cl minus attacking at the terminal position. I think you understood clearly. Now question number 6. The question number 6. The correct order for acidic strength of the compound. Correct order for acidic strength. We know that alkane, alkene, alkynes में alkynes are more acidic strength. But though almost all are acid alkynes, here alkene is given, so it is the least. First of all, least में तो अभी दो ऑप्शन हैं, ठीक है. ये दोनों में किसका है? See here, after removing the hydrogen, the conjugate base you write it CH triple bond C minus, then CH3 C triple bond C minus. Which conjugate base is more stable? See again GOC related. Carbene ion is stable whenever electron withdrawing groups are there. Okay, that is stable. Okay, C minus is unstable when electron donating groups are there. Unstable. ठीक है. अब ये दोनों में which is unstable? The second one is unstable. This is the unstable, this is the stable. So stable means it is forming. It is forming means it can donate easily. The acetylene can donate easily H plus ion. So that means acetylene has higher than methyl acetylene. So your answer will be, ये दोनों में check करो, C is your answer. Acetylene then methyl acetylene. Already we learned one more direct option also. Ka is directly proportional to minus inductive and minus mesomeric, inversely proportional to plus inductive and plus mesomeric. Okay, if you know this much, you can directly answer it. Next option. Next, question number 7. The trans alkenes are formed by the reduction of alkynes. See, this is the Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst. इसमें क्या होता है? Palladium is there. वो palladium के ऊपर hydrogen is adsorbing first. ठीक है, here alkene will come. CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, these hydrogen is addition on alkene same side, because same two hydrogens are same side. So here we will get a cis, we will get it. Okay, sodium borohydride से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, tin HCl लेना देना नहीं. This is the Lindlar's catalyst. This is the Birch reduction, BIRCH, Birch reduction. It is following free radical mechanism, so it is giving trans product. It is giving trans. So your answer will be C. Your answer will be C. So mechanism देखना है तो alkynes CH3 I am taking alkyne here. It is reacting with sodium. Sodium क्या होता है generally? Sodium is giving one electron. Sodium plus one electron is giving. So this pi bond is shifted, break. One electron here, one electron here. Then this one electron is taken by any one of the carbon. Then CH3, C double bond, C here minus, then CH3. Now H plus will attack here. So here forming hydrogen. Next again one more sodium is there. It is giving one more electron. This electron taken by this one carbon. Now CH3 double bond ऑलरेडी ये कार्बन के ऊपर this carbon double bond is there, here already hydrogen is there, CH3. Okay, इसके ऊपर minus charge है. Now next hydrogen will attack this side. Next hydrogen will attack this side. Why? Here already one hydrogen is there, little repulsion is there, repulsions. So that's why next hydrogen preferred other side. So here this side hydrogen is there means you will get trans product. This is the mechanism. Next, read that question. The reaction of propene with HOCl. HOCl ka we can write it like this. How HOCl is forming? The last question we discussed. OH minus Cl plus होता है. How it is forming? It is the combination of chlorine and H2O, right? Now propene, take the propene CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is the propene. Propene HOCl में OH minus Cl plus. Okay, obviously Cl plus will attack first. Where it will attack? The positive. Just like Cl plus is here, like H plus. So H plus will attack wherever more number of hydrogens are there. OH minus attack wherever less number of hydrogens are there. Okay. So here intermediate step पूछ रहे, that's why chlorine is attacking first. So carbocation is forming here. So I am writing here again CH3 CH CH2Cl. This is the carbocation. Middle position में carbocation. So you can see option. Option A should be correct. Yes. Next. CHCl. Is there any chance for C? OH minus Cl plus. Okay, right. Next. Question number 9. Which of the following compounds will exhibit geometrical isomerism? Geometrical isomerism के लिए क्या चाहिए? Double bond, restricted rotation. Here A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. So like this 4 different groups भी चलेगा. A is A equal to C and B equal to D है तो भी चलेगा. Now write the structure easily, you can understand. 1 phenyl 2 butene. 1 phenyl 2 butene. But 2 in the 1 phenyl. So this carbon is there, here phenyl, hydrogen and hydrogen. 1 phenyl but 2 in. So here hydrogen is there means, of course here cis trans we can write it. This is the methyl groups. Here hydrogen is there. एक बार cis होगा, hydrogen opposite side है तो trans होगा. So ये तो exist है. 1 butene कभी भी नहीं होगा. 1 diphenyl सेम कार्बन पे दोनों सेम ग्रुप्स है, नहीं होगा. 1 butene तो होगा ही नहीं. So answer will be A. Okay, you can write the structures. See, on the terminal carbon, each sp2 carbon should be connected with two different groups. Okay, then which other compound would give 5 keto 2 methyl hexanol? 5 keto 2 methyl. Yeah, see, first of all, ozonolysis में just break the double bond and add one oxygen here and here. These are the product. Now you select the correct one which is suitable to that. 2 methyl cyclohexanol. So ये तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि हेक्सानॉल मीन्स आल्डिहाइड है तो इसमें कीटोन बन रहा है. ठीक है, ये भी तो ठीक है, आल्डिहाइड बन रहे हैं. सेकंड पोजीशन में 1 2 3 4 5 तो ये बराबर इक्वल हो रहा है. ठीक है, बी अगेन यू कैन सी हियर सपोज आल्डिहाइड इज देयर 1 2 2 पोजीशन में कोई मिथाइल है ही नहीं. हियर 1 2 2 पोजीशन में मिथाइल है ही नहीं. सो योर आंसर विल बी बी. नेक्स्ट, the major organic compound formed by the reaction of 1 comma 1 comma 1 trichloroethane with silver powder is trichloroethane. 2 chlorines are there on that. Chlorine, trichloroethane. This one. So reacting with silver powder. So ethyne preparation में we prepared from chloroform to acetylene. Same reaction you take here 2 moles. Then you will get C triple bond C. Here CH3. This side also CH3. Okay, alkyne you are getting but2-ine. Your answer will be C. Next, the number of optical active compounds obtained from the complete ozonolysis. First you write ozonolysis products. Suppose if you break it, oxygen and oxygen. If you break it, oxygen and oxygen. If you break it here, oxygen and oxygen. You have to break it because ozonolysis means. Now you tell me, is there any chiral carbon is there? Chiral carbon means the carbon which is connected with A, B, C, D. All 4 different groups. इसमें तो है ही नहीं है. Here methyl hydrogen but right side CHO, left side CHO तो ये भी नहीं है. This carbon not possible. This carbon HCH3 different है लेकिन right side left side तो same है. ये भी गलत है, ये भी नहीं. So 0. There is no the optical active compounds. Optical active compounds are 0. Yeah. Next, up to the end is the last question. The synthesis of 3-octane is achieved by adding a bromoalkane into a mixture of sodium amide and an alkyne. The bromoalkane and alkyne respectively are. Okay, the synthesis of 3-octane. Synthesis of 3-octane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3-octane. So this is the structure we prepared. By adding a bromoalkane into is achieved by adding a bromoalkane. Bromoalkane means RBr. Bromoalkane into a mixture of sodium amide and alkyne. Sodium amide and alkyne. Alkyne C triple bond C Na plus C minus. Here कुछ R group है alkyne. the bromoalkane and alkyne respectively are. See, इसका मतलब ये है, you have to take this much, this is the RX, this is the alkyne, this is one option. Otherwise you can take दूसरा ऑप्शन में ये है, this is the RX, this is the alkyne, ये total alkyne, ठीक है. once you check it, alkyne में लिए 1 2 3 4 carbons alkyne, 1 2 3 4 carbons alkyne is there, 1 2 3 4 carbons alkane is there, 4 carbons alkyne, 1 2 3 4 carbons alkyne. So it is the possible, the D option. You can see other options, 1 2 3 4 5 carbons, 5 कार्बन वाला चांस नहीं है, ओनली 4 कार्बन्स. एक तो 4 कार्बन्स एंड 4 कार्बन्स वाला एक ऑप्शन है, देन 2 कार्बन्स एंड 6 कार्बन्स वाला एक ऑप्शन है. ओके, 2 कार्बन RX और 4 कार्बन RX, वो दोनों में ही ऑप्शन है बस. सो आंसर विल बी D. आंसर विल बी D. So up to 2010 we completed JEE questions. So thank you. Watch the videos, subscribe the channel.